Welcome back. Hope you are doing good. In this episode, let us try and understand what is the important YouTube settings which are available in your YouTube studio. Once you log into the Gmail account, you have a square dotted icon here. If you click on this particular icon, you can see there is a YouTube icon here. If you click on this YouTube icon, you will come to your channel and select this option, your channel. It will open in a new tab and you will be able to see the channel information here, your banner and your logo. Click on the customize channel. Once you click on the customize channel, you have an option here for settings. Click on the settings. In the settings, you can see there is a general menu here. You can choose what is the currency type. Since I am in India, so I will select INR. And if I select the channel, you will be able to see what is the basic information, and you will also see country of residence. You can select the country of residence in whichever part of geography you are in. So I'll select the country of residence as India. And if you don't have the keywords in this particular section, you have an option to update your keywords. There can be total 500 keywords which you can enter. Either you can use any website which can generate the keywords, or you can even use the manual updation. Like if I wanted to update, for example, I will update Lenovo and I have to use the comma here to manually update the keywords. So what I have done basically is I have taken all the keywords from this particular site, which is rapidtax.io. I have generated the keywords which is related to my channel. Basically, I am creating videos for Microsoft Excel and Windows tutorials. So I will generate the keywords for Microsoft Excel and Windows. I have copied the tags and I have used the same tags here. And some of the tags I have also manually updated. If I wanted to manually update like this, I can update Lenovo here and I can copy the same thing and come to the settings, and in the keyword I will update. So it is almost 489 now. You can even update some of the keywords manually. So if I update Linux and enter, it will take Linux here. So I'll leave it for 495 for the keyword because it has already about to cross 500, and I will click and save. So the keyword has been saved. What I will do is I will go to the advanced settings here, and you will be able to see these are the standard settings which will be applied across your channel. So once you set any of these options, it will be standard for your channel. So there is no need to update every now and then for your videos whenever you are uploading. So I'll set this channel as not made for kids because this channel is not made for kids. So I have selected this option. And if you wanted to choose any of the options here, automatic captions, or I don't want allow viewers to clip my content, so I'll remove this and I will save this. And feature eligibility, this you cannot change anyway. This is default settings. I will save, or you can come to another section here, update default. There is also an option for you to enter the title and description. If I wanted to enter the title, basically whenever you are going to upload your video, this title and the description, whatever you have updated, it will automatically populate it. So if I am going to create multiple videos for the Excel or for the Windows, I will simply say Excel tutorials, and After this, I will enter the title which is related to my specific video. So since every video will be different, so I don't want to use the standard title settings here. So what I will do is basically I will only use the description which will be automatically populated. So for that, I have already copied the description here, and I will update this description. So after uploading your video, you will add your title, which will not be automatically populated. Then you write the description for your video here. You can write the description for your video here. And if at all you wanted to add some tags here, you can add the tags for each of the video which you are going to upload. So these entries, whatever you have updated, this will automatically populate whenever you are going to upload your video. And this will be your standard entry, what you have updated. If you come to your videos here and select the content, you can select any one of the video from the content here. I'll select one of the video here, and if you click on show more, you will be able to see the tags which you have updated here. So these tags, whatever you have updated, these tags are per video, which is basically the content whatever you are going to create. It might differ for the Excel, it might differ for the Windows, or it might differ for the hardware. So for each of the video what I am going to create, the tags will differ in this particular section here. But the tags or the keywords, whatever you are going to see here, this is generic tags. This is for the channel itself. So these keywords are for the channel, and this will be the standard keywords for the channel. So these are the two different options which you have to remember. In case if you wanted to update some of the tags in the description, you can also come and update in the description as well, like this. So here I have updated some of the tags here. So this also can be updated. So this is how you can update the keywords and the tags for your channel and your videos. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Take care.